How to do spot trading on the Binance app. Now, if you want to do spot trading on the Binance app, right? So we will just walk you through a simple steps like basic how to. So for this, first of all, open the Binance app and go to the trade section. So make sure you're on the Binance Pro version and go to the trade section right here. And at the top, you'll find an option called spot. So just go to the spot option. Now here you'll find different options. First is buy. So you can select your limit of buying like limit, market stop, limit, trading stop, or OCO. Similarly, after you've done that, you can just make sure to enter the amount properly. And let's say you want to buy it, so you can just select the buy certain crypto, that whichever you want to. After you've done that, you'll be able to see all of the confirmations. So here you can tap on the confirm button to confirm it. Now, if you want to find your open orders, here you'll find your open orders. And if you want to cancel them, you can select cancel option. If you want to cancel all, you can select cancel all button right there. And this way you'll be able to do spot trading on Binance app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.